Welcome to our mini washing showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular portable washing machines, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and the Portable Washing Machine. We'll dive into their specifications, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is the right fit for your laundry needs. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub offers a total capacity of 20 pounds, which includes 12 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning. This makes it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the portable washing machine has a capacity of 16 liters, which is suitable for smaller, delicate items. If you frequently wash larger loads, the Giantex is the better choice. Power is another important factor to consider. The Giantex model boasts a powerful motor with 300 watts for washing and 110 watts for spinning, allowing for efficient cleaning of larger loads. On the other hand, the portable washing machine operates at just 60 watts, making it less powerful but also more energy efficient for smaller loads. If you need robust performance, the Giantex is the way to go. In terms of design, the Giantex features a traditional twin tub design which allows for separate washing and spinning. This gives users more control over their laundry process. Conversely, the portable washing machine is designed to be foldable and compact, making it easy to store and ideal for small living spaces. Depending on your needs, you may prefer the functionality of the Giantex or the convenience of the portable washer. In conclusion, both the Giantex Portable Mini Compact Twin Tub and the portable washing machine offer unique features tailored to different user needs. The Giantex is perfect for those who require larger capacity and power, while the portable washer is ideal for those seeking a compact and affordable solution. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.